Hello students. Today's learning topic is chapter number 4, materials, metals and non-metals. First point is physical properties of metal and non-metal. Okay? Introduction. When scientists we discover the elements, they felt the need to grow these elements. It can be done by grouping this element, by studying them physical and chemical properties. There are three types of elements: metals, non-metals and others. Okay. Next point is physical properties of metals and non-metals. First property, lustres. All metals in the pure state have shining surface. This property is called metallic luster. Example of metal: gold, iron, etc. And non-metals on the other hand are dull. Therefore, they do not have lusters. Okay. Next, physical properties of metals and non-metals. Second, hardness. If you try to cut iron by sharp knife, you can observe that metals are generally hard. Yes, and on other hand, non-metals can be cut or broken easily. So comparing metals and non-metals, you can find that non-metals are soft while metals are hard. Yes. Third, physical properties of metals and non-metals are malleability. Take iron nails, coal, pieces of thick aluminum wire and pencil lead. Beat each of them with hammer. What do you observe? Iron nail and aluminum wire change their shape. Yes, but coal and pencil lead break into pieces. Harder we beat, greater is the change of shape. Thus metal, if beaten, change their shape and form thin sheet on beating. This property is called malleability. Okay. Next, physical properties of metals and non-metals are ductility. Another interesting properties of metals is ability to form a thin wire. It is called ductility. Okay, and with this property you can see wire of aluminium, copper and iron. Yes, and non-metals does not show this property and bits if we try to form wires. Okay. Next, physical properties of metals and non-metals are sonority. The property of producing ringing sound, and when a substance is struck by hard substance is called sonority. Metals are sonorous, but non-metals are not sonorous. Okay. Next, physical properties of metals and non-metals are conductors of heat. If one end of iron rod it is heated, then we can feel rise in temperature at other end also. Okay, this means that metals conduct heat and non-metal does not conduct heat. If non-metals would have been conducting heat, we will it can be possible to use them handles for cooker and pans. No, non-metals does not conduct heat. Okay. Next, physical properties of metals and non-metals are conductors of electricity. Metals are good conductors of electricity and non-metals are bad conductors of electricity. Activity, material, cell, bulb and materials like iron rod, sulfur, coal pieces and copper wire. And make an electric circuit to test whether electricity can pass through an object or not. Okay. And arrange the electric testers as shown in figure. Keep free the two ends of the wires A and B. Okay. Keep an iron rod in junction with the two ends of the conductor's wire and complete the circuit, not whether the bulb gives lights or not. Bulb gives light. Yes, that's why iron nails is a good conductor of electricity. Okay. The next, keep an sulfur injunctions with the two end of the conductor's wire and complete the circuit. Not whether the bulb gives light or not. Bulb gives not light. Yes, that's why sulfur is a bad conductor of electricity. Third, keep an coal piece injunction with the two end of the conductor wire and complete the circuit. Note whether bulb gives light or not. Bulb gives not light. Yes, that's why coal pieces are bad conductors of electricity. Okay. Next, keep an copper wire injunctions with the two end of the conductor wire and complete the circuit. Now, whether the bulbs gives light or not. Yes, bulb give light. Okay. The copper wire is a good conductor of electricity. Okay. Next is expectations. Sodium and potassium are soft and can be easily cleaved. Okay. Cut into form plain surface by knife. However, this belongs to metals. Similarly, all metals are solid and except mercury, which exists in liquid form. Okay, and iodine is a non-metal, but it is lustrous. Diamond is hardest substance which is a non-metal. Okay.